Google Sheet integration, create Google Sheet to save the emails. We will collect emails and save them to Google Sheet for you so that you can store all the contacts inside ManyChat. They are stored by default, but we will want them to be stored in Google Sheet so that you can use them in other services, or for example, when you create ads, you can use these emails as your contact base to create lookalike audiences. So what we're going to do, we need to go to our dashboard and click settings, go down and click integrations. Right here, I've shown you what integrations we've got here. The Google Sheets is at the top, and now we've got ChatGPT Connect. This is the beta version. It has probably appeared a couple days ago. Later in our study, I will show you how to connect ChatGPT to our ManyChat and to our automation and use it. It's going to be later. Now we need to click Connect Google Sheets account. Click this one. Connect your Google account. Then follow everything. Give allow. Click the allow button. And right now you are connected to your Google account and your Google Sheet. Now what we need to do? We need to go, let me open another account because this was the previous. You need to create some Google Sheet, name it somehow so that you know that it's from ManyChat, and to make two columns, name and email. We will collect those two data in here. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how we will collect these emails and store them in Google Sheet.